Hey guys, what's up? Alec back with the daily stock market, and look at that week. We're up 13% in this week so far, and hopefully the positive momentum will keep flowing and keep continuing into next week. Now, I'm putting this video out on Sunday night, right? But remember, Monday morning, the markets are going to be closed for the holiday, Memorial Day here in the United States of America. Okay, so the markets will be closed. Tuesday, they open back up. So I hope everyone enjoys their long weekend and has enjoyed it so far and spend some time in the sun. Let's recap a few swing trades that I'm doing right now and if I'm going to be adding or selling some of those swing trades. And then I'll also talk about 5 stocks to be watching, and 2 of those will actually be cryptocurrencies also. So guys, my options trading course, if you want to become better at option trading, here's what you learn. It's officially live now, so you can actually sign up. You can actually, this link, just ask me for it, DM me on lifetime access, and it's only $299. And I'm also giving $100 off to the first couple people that sign up today also. So if you want to get to that next level of option trading, and if you're going to sign up for it eventually, you might as well get the $100 off. Here's some of the course's curriculum, what you're going to be learning: buying versus selling, calls versus puts, overview, what's the strike price, in the money, out of the money, what are leap option calls, stats, bid, volume, Greek, intrinsic value, deep dive on time decay. So there is a lot to learn. We even go over some strategies. I'm also going to be adding a couple more videos to get over 20 chapters. And you'll have lifetime access to all these videos and the new ones that I keep adding throughout the month. Also, we took a call option, an $800 call option on BABA. But if you're not a part of the close friends list, then you don't know what my expiration date is and you don't know what the strike price was also. So if you want access to my buys, my trades, my options 1 to 2 times a week on option trades, strike prices, expiration dates, then join the program and DM me on Instagram and let me know if you want to become a part of the close friends or if you just want the options trading program. So we have a swing trade with XPEV going on, an average cost of 31. We have about $800 of market value. We're up only 3%. So I'm not currently adding any more to my XPEV. If it goes down to like under $30 a share again, then I probably will be adding more to my XPEV position for swing trade. Charge Point is one of my bigger swing trades right now with over $4,000 in market value on 3 different accounts. This is only one of my accounts. We're up around 6 to 10%. And I'm going to be adding more once they hit that support around $20 to $21 a share. So we're just recapping some of my active swing trades so you can kind of see what I have my money in currently. I have $2,000 into Shopify. We're up 12%. I have around another $2,000 in market value in Tattooed Chef with another $1,500 on my Webull account. So that brings me to a total of about $4,500 around in Tattooed Chef. And we're up about 8% on that. Beyond Meat, same thing. I have around $2,000 on my Webull account. So we are up a considerable amount on Beyond Meat now, up 16% on a really big position around $4,000. And I posted on my close friends list when I plan on selling Beyond Meat. So if you are a part of that, you kind of know where I'm trying to get and sell out of Beyond Meat at too. Now, we have some other active swing trades, but let's start getting right into the video because we have 5 stocks to talk about in this video. So the first one's going to be AMC. There's so much hype around AMC right now. It's absolutely ridiculous, so we have to talk about it. It's up 108% in the past week, and at one point, remember, on May 28th, right at market open, it was around $35 a share, up 187% on the week. So unless you're living under a rock in the investing world, in the stock world, you have definitely heard of AMC and what's going on with the short squeezes around Wall Street Bets and Reddit. Now, what I like to do is I like to find the next stock. So while everyone's talking about AMC or GameStop, I like to be looking and seeing what I think the next one's going to be, right? So SNDL is one of those that I think that can pop up again. It's been a factor of the Reddit community before in Wall Street Bets. So just like GameStop and AMC have came back and had their second wind, I think it's possible for SNDL, which is a penny stock, to have their next big win and be the possible next AMC. Because in my opinion, I think people will get tired of AMC. People are saying it's going to go to $100. People are saying it's going to go to $1,000. I don't think any of that's true, honestly. I think we probably saw the peak. $35 was the peak. $25 is still very high. And I think from here, it's just going to keep tapering off. You can also look at the volume, average volume, and volume. And as you see the volume starting to diminish, 660 million on the volume, that's crazy. That's a large amount of volume going through that stock, people buying, selling at all times. So you kind of have to realize how much volume is going through AMC to pump the stock up. And once the volume starts leaving and people start moving their money elsewhere out of AMC and selling and taking profits, we'll start to see AMC go back down to $20 a share, $15 a share, $10 a share, $5 a share is very possible again. So remember, my motto is do not buy at all-time highs. If a stock is at an all-time high, wait for it to get lower, wait for it to dip, because it will always happen. Or focus on a different stock and try to find the next AMC instead of being late to the party and losing all your money. Now, put options are a very strong possibility in the stock, but you want to be very careful because betting against Reddit and Wall Street Bets community can be a big mistake because they are very powerful. So we went over them on my close friends list, how to do that safely. All right, so after that, I want to talk about BABA, down up about 2% on the week, but look at that, down 10% on the month still. And it's a stock that just can't get a break, down 11% on the last 3 months. And from its all-time high in October, still down 32%. Okay, so I like international stocks and Chinese stocks. They're a good way to hedge against inflation. And if you're afraid of the US dollar losing value due to inflation, then the stock market is going to be a good way to hedge against that. You don't have to do just cryptocurrency. The stock market can take care of that itself. And by investing and diversifying into international companies, you're doing just that. This is a good company that you're going to want to hold for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years down the road because they're one of the biggest international companies in China. And they are growing at a very rapid pace. So Baba has been in the news about some stuff. Alibaba is making its cloud OS compatible with multiple chip architectures. And then you also see this article, China's once popular technology companies are losing their shine with their share price plummeting over the last few months as investors grew nervous of government clampdowns into the sector. The combined market cap of 10 leading IT and high-tech companies, including Baba and Tencent Holding, has plunged by over $800 billion or almost 30% from peak in February. And remember, we went over that chart and we saw Alibaba is down 30%. So they're one of the biggest companies in China to take advantage of during the dip. That's kind of like an Amazon being down 30% or an Apple or something big like that, big tech company. So you definitely want to take advantage of that if you're a long-term investor. So next up, we have Netflix pulled up at $500 a share. They're about flat on the week. And in the last month, they're only down 1%. So not much movement has been accruing. But over the last 3 months, they're down nearly 8%. Okay. Now, they've been following the support and resistance right around $470 as high as $550 to $580 per share. Okay, so that's our price targets. Anywhere buying at about $475, as close to $475 as possible, and selling as close to $575 as possible, which would be around, about a 20-25% gain if you can nail that perfectly. Now, it might not be as perfect as you want it to be on the technical analysis on the support and resistance. So I'm starting my position now. You can actually see I have $1,300 at an average cost of $498 a share. But as it goes lower, if it goes to $475, I don't think it'll go down to the other support of like a $415 a share. I think that's out of the question. But $475 a share, $480 a share. If you're not in Netflix yet, that's a great price to start getting involved with a swing trade in Netflix. Now, the good thing about Netflix swing trading something like Netflix, they're also a good long-term position. So if they don't go up as quick as you want them to, or if they go down a little bit more, you know you can keep adding fire to the fuel and keep buying the dip. If they go down, 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 keep buying the dip because they're a good company over the long term that's growing revenues, growing net income, growing subscribers. And it's honestly a company that a lot of these other companies are trying to model is Netflix. So if we read what some of the bulls from Morningstar say, international expansions offer attractive markets for adding subscribers in international markets. Netflix internal recommendation software and large subscriber base give the company an edge when you're deciding which content to acquire in future years. Netflix has built a sustainable content library that will benefit the firm over long years. And they are doing one of the best with originals too, like Netflix originals, and also what they're recommending, like the Netflix top 10. So you can, and the TV shows too, TV top 10, all that good stuff is a good direction Netflix is taking it. Also, with the international subscribers growing is a good thing to hear for long term. But mainly, I'm playing this one for a swing trade, more of a technical analysis. But just know that they are looking good when it comes to the fundamentals and long-term investing too. Now, after that, let's talk about Ethereum, everyone's favorite cryptocurrency, to $2,459 a share. And they're up almost 1% on the day, going as low as 2% on the Sunday today here. On the week, they were as low as 2,100 and going as high as 2,900. So remember, if you're not swing trading cryptocurrency, it's one of the best things to swing trade because it's like a roller coaster or like an emotional teenager or an emotional toddler, I should say, honestly, because, one day it's happy, one day it's sad, and it's a good potential swing trade here. So if you want to buy right around 2,000 or even start a position at $2,400 for long term, I think that's a very good entry. Anything under $2,500 for long term, I think it's very easy for you to swing trade to $3,000 a share, $3,500 a share, and I think we'll definitely see new all-time highs in the future. I think we're not over with the bull market of cryptocurrency yet. I think we still have more all-time highs to come. But honestly, like if we look at my position, my average cost is $1,900. We're up 26%. I've been swing trading and scalping cryptocurrency for so long, probably 3 years now. And I know whenever it dips hard like that, just buy the dip. If it goes down 20, 30, 40% in one day, there's no question if you should be buying the dip or not, because it's going to at least recover 10, 20, 30% back, and you can actually get a quick momentum and some quick profits by swing trading cryptocurrency in a very strategic way. Okay, so now the last security I want to talk about is going to be a cryptocurrency, and it's Cardano, ticker symbol ADA. We have over $3,000 in ADA currently, and it just went up 22% in one day. And I was just talking about this cryptocurrency like on Friday, telling people to buy it. But now that it's up 22%, it might be a little bit more of a different story. This one, I think, is more of a buy, closer to $1 or at least under $1.50. So wait for it to get under $1.50. However, if you're a long-term holder, this is going to be a huge Ethereum competitor with like smart contracts and all that stuff. So if you're a really big believer in Ethereum and smart contracts in general, and you want to hedge a little bit against Ethereum, Cardano is definitely the coin for you. And this is one of my bigger positions. I have over $3,000 in Cardano. So needless to say that I definitely believe in them. Cardano is a blockchain platform built on proof of stake protocol. And if you kind of scroll down, you can click the official website and you can kind of go through that, cardano.org, and kind of see what they're all about. But you see their volume is huge. Their market cap is huge. They're one of the biggest cryptocurrencies. They're number 4 on Coinbase. And I like to look at this new feature that Coinbase offers. It says typical hold time, 19 days, right? So that's actually pretty long for Coinbase. Most people only hold these coins for like 10 or 7 days or lower. Trading activity, most people are buying Cardano, which is a good thing. I like to look at in Coinbase too, is the trading activity, because you want to see more people buying, less people selling, obviously, because selling leads to more selling, dragging that price down. Circulating supply is always a good thing to look at. The news, you can kind of look at some of the news too. Cardano begins countdown to smart contracts, right? So remember the Ethereum competitor, that can be a very big thing in the future. So Cardano can be one of those coins that goes to $5 a coin, $20 a coin in the future. I'm not saying that it will, so definitely don't quote me on that. But I think for it to at least get back to $3 a coin is a very big possibility in the next 6 to 12 months. All right, so guys, I hope you did enjoy that video. Smack a thumbs up if you did like it. We're at 95,000 followers, and I want to do a giveaway. So let me know what kind of giveaway I should do. I want to maybe do an AirPod giveaway to like the top comment, the person that comments the most. Maybe we'll be getting AirPods or something like that. A nice like $100 plus giveaway for you guys once I hit 100,000 subscribers. And remember, guys, if you want the $100 off the option trading course, and if you want to get to that next level, it's only $199. And you can make a lot more money just by educating yourself and getting to the next level in option trading. And you're probably losing more from your option trades if you're trading like $300 contracts or $500 contracts. If you find yourself losing $500 or more on option contracts and option trading, then make sure you sign up for this program because it will teach you ways on how to stop losing money during option trading and how to make money with option trading. I'll also put a link on my story on Instagram like you see right here. So if you want to just go to my story and click it and then click visit link, you can actually sign up for it right on my website. Or you can DM me on Instagram and I'll send you over a link directly with the $100 off. And I hope that you guys have a wicked awesome Memorial Day with friends and family, and I will see you guys in the next video. Remember, don't time the market, buy the market. Peace.